First, remove the M4 screws at both ends inside the gas flow device. Close-up view. Screw the optical axis electrode rod into the adapter to approximately half of its threaded depth. Then, install the adapter into one end of the gas flow device. Insert the quartz tube into one side of the gas flow device. Then, install the adapter at the other end. Insert the 8mm inner diameter quartz tube containing the sample into one end of the adapter. Then slide the linear translation stage. Once the sample is securely clamped, measure the resistance and then tighten the travel stage knob. Finally, adjust the position of the outer quartz tube and secure it firmly to the gas flow device. Secure it in place with a clamp. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Once installation is complete, connect the power supply to begin the experiment.